are you all doing? This is Sweta Roy, your English master teacher at Vedantu. I hope everyone is doing amazingly well. And I welcome all of you to today's wonderful and super interesting session, Normal English versus Advanced English. So come on guys, let's speak English and let's speak interesting English. So are you afraid of making your conversation dull and boring? Do you want to make it more interesting? So let's understand what are the advanced phrases that we can use to make our conversation super interesting. So this session is going to be very helpful and it is going to improve your conversation skills, communication skills. So let's get started with the session. But before that, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video amongst your friends. Share it maximum so that you all can speak English in an interesting way. Okay? So talking about myself, I am your English master teacher, Sweta Roy. I have pursued my masters in English and B.Ed. I have more than a year of teaching experience and I have qualified CTET, mentored more than 20,000 students, both online and offline. And my motto is to unleash the power within you. So yes, with the help of communication, you are empowered, right? So today we are going to learn communication and how to enhance our communication skills, how to make our boring conversation super interesting, right? So does that sound fascinating? Quickly give me a like button, hit the like button if you are super excited to start off with this super interesting and amazing session. But before we begin, come on guys, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell icon because we're going to bring one after another amazing sessions for you people. So what is advanced English? You all know that we are on a fast pace, we are progressing towards technology. The language is also evolving a lot, right? It is moving to an advanced level. So why not upskill ourselves? Why are we backdated? Let us also advance ourselves and learn the modern age small phrases so that we can speak with each other in a very interesting manner, right? So these new and modified phrases are definitely considered advanced English, and let's learn some of them. Let's understand the difference between normal English and how can we make that into advanced. How can we modulate that into advanced level, modify that into advanced English, right, guys? So let us look at some common examples to understand the difference. Are you ready to start off, guys? Let me see the Josh, let me see the excitement in the chat. And here we go with the first example. We often say, let's meet today. So instead of saying, let's meet today, why not we say, let's catch up today, right? So this is the first phrase that we can use. Next one is, instead of saying it's not so difficult, I think you have heard this a lot of times in your day-to-day conversation also. We often say, it's not a rocket science, right? So that's our second example. Third example is, can I come tomorrow? Instead of that, if you want to make it interesting, you can ask, can I drop in tomorrow? Sounds interesting, right? What do you think, guys? Fourth one, you are very kind. Instead of saying you're very kind, you can just say you have a heart of gold. Wow, that's wonderful. Okay. Fifth one is I'm very happy. Instead of saying that, I'm over the moon. Right? So that is advanced English. Try it out, guys. Develop a situation, and when you are conversing amongst yourselves, maybe you and your friend make a group and then try out these amazing advanced English phrases. That's how you learn to incorporate them in your day-to-day vocabulary. Sixth one is I'm busy. This you say a lot of time, right? So instead of saying I'm busy, I'm tied up. Interesting. Seventh, sorry, I fell asleep. WhatsApp messages, you do, right? Instead of writing to your friend, sorry, I fell asleep, I could not respond to your chat, you can just say, sorry, I nodded off. Sounds very, very interesting. Try it, guys. It will work. You will create a different kind of impression. The eighth phrase is stop wasting time. So you might have got a lot of people instructing you, especially your mother, stop wasting your time. Instead of saying that, ask your parents to say, stop falling around. Okay? Or you could maybe say this to your sibling, to your younger sibling, right? Stop falling around. The ninth English phrase is I'm very tired. So maybe when your mom is telling you stop falling around, you can say I'm worn out. How does that work? Okay, try it out, guys. That's how it's going to work with you people. That's how you're going to, incorporate that in your day to day life. And that's how you're going to learn speaking, right? The 10th one is it's time to study. So maybe you can tell your friends it's time to hit the books, right? Okay, are you ready for the next one? The 11th one, are you mad? Instead of saying are you mad, which sounds quite harsh, are you out of your mind? Yes, that works, right? The next one is keep it a secret. So instead of saying plainly keep it a secret, which sounds quite normal and boring, you can use it keep it under wraps. That sounds very interesting. Don't you think so? The next one, guys, I'm scared to do this. This is very interesting. Instead of saying I'm scared to do this, you can say I'm cold feet. Yes, it works. Try it. And then the final one, good luck, advanced English, break a leg. So, guys, with this, I'm sure you would be able to at least incorporate these 14 phrases in your day to day conversation, maybe with your friends or your siblings or your family members, right? So, guys, instead of saying good luck, I would just say break a leg. Okay? So I hope you enjoyed the session, and before going, guys, don't forget to hit the like button, share the video amongst your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We will be coming up with amazing, amazing videos only and only for you people. And in the comment section, do let me know which was your favorite phrase for advanced English and what are the phrases that you have already started to use. Do let me know in the comment section. Till then, guys, take care and bye bye. Happy learning. Thank you.